Good morning, friends. This is day 38 of my juice fast, and this is going to be really short because I have jury duty today, and I've got to juice all the day's worth today, just in case, because I don't know how long this is going to take. But what a great country we live in, where they have rights to trial by jury, and we get to participate in the running of our government. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, yesterday, in case you're interested in something like this, I did a grocery trip of the last 3 days of my juice fast, which I'll add right after this, and a cost of how much it was. And anyways, have a great day, and I'm gonna get juicing, and I'll see you next time. Okay, got everything home and unloaded. This is what I will be juicing for the next 3 days. Parsley looked really pathetic. They are actually out in the store, and so I will be going somewhere else to pick up some more parsley. I'll be juicing more than just the next 3 days. I'll be juicing a lot as I transition, but just thought it'd be fun to get all I needed to continue the fast all at once. So the total for this amount came to about $65, just for a rough estimate of how much it might cost. I hope you had fun going shopping with me, and hope you have a wonderful day.